See, manual infrastructure is a ticking time bomb. One misconfiguration and your entire system can go down. With Zopdev's deep OpenTOFU integration and pre-validated modules, you can provision secure, compliant infrastructure at scale. Every change is tracked, versioned, and audited, so you can move fast without fear. Do not let inconsistent environments hold you back. Embrace IaC with Zopdev. It is important to embrace continuous feedback and improvement. Teams that don't measure performance are flying blind and risk getting overtaken by competitors who actually do. So Zopdev aggregates all your critical metrics, build times, deployment frequencies, change failure rates into a single analytics module. Spot trends, identify bottlenecks, and drive continuous improvement with every single release. Don't guess where to improve. Let Zopdev guide your team to peak performance. DevOps 2.0 is more than just a buzzword. It's the difference between playing catch-up and setting the pace. With Zopdev by your side, you are not just adopting best practices, you are leading the charge. Are you ready to take your DevOps to the next level? Book a demo today and let's get started.